Realistic fiction stories seem like they are real because they could really happen, but you get to make them up. You pretend all the time, and now you get to write down some of your pretend stories or make up new ones. Today we're going to imagine a pretend character. Then we are going to pretend things about the character, where the character is, what the character does, and especially the trouble he or she gets into. Fiction writers give their characters real-life adventures. Now, you are going to pretend very differently from me. So first, I'm going to give you some think time about what your character is going to be like. If you need to, close your eyes and imagine a character. What does your character look like? Realistic fiction writers write about people, so please imagine a human character to start. Once you have your idea, share your character idea with someone near you. What questions do they have about your character? When you are done sharing and thinking, watch the next video.